Coffee. Most of us love it, so the big brands like Starbucks seem to be close to our hearts, especially in the mornings. We drink a lot of caffeinated beverages provided by Starbucks, but there's one question that needs to be answered. What about the environment? Most of the customers enjoy their coffee in single-use cups. This results in huge amounts of waste, so what does Starbucks think about it? Here we see the front page of Starbucks in the Netherlands. It clearly shows the tab for sustainability. So far it looks good. Okay, let's click on environment. Several other subdivisions show. On to recycling. Here it says that their goal is to have recycling bins available in all their shops and to have 25% of their beverages served in reusable cups before 2015. So what does a typical Starbucks look like now, in 2018? Here in the corner we see a sign that says less waste. That sounds promising. In the smaller lettering it says causing it starts with ourselves. And in an even smaller lettering it says use a reusable cup. Here is another good sign. It says bring your own tumbler and save 30 cents. Unfortunately, we can see here that the first sign is not really noticeable. The customers all walked straight past it and were looking up at the coffee selection, not down at the basket standing around the corner. When it comes to the other sign, at first we didn't even notice it. Only because we were actively looking for the implementation of the reusable cup policy did we eventually see it. To gain insight on this policy, we decided to talk to a former employee of Starbucks. While discussing the reusable cup initiative, he mentioned that he never asked customers if they have or wanted to use a reusable cup, nor was he ever instructed to. We decided to test his statement at our local Starbucks. When we came in, we took off our jackets and put them on some chairs to show that we would be staying at the shop. Then we approached the counter with just our wallets in hand. We decided to order both a hot and a cold drink to test if the staff would ask us if we had or wanted to use a reusable cup. Not much to our surprise, neither of us could ask to choose, even after our obvious signs of staying. But what about their recycling policy? Well, as you can see in the following pictures, there are some trash cans, but none of them are recycling bins. Also, from speaking with the former employee, we found out that it's not much better in the back. Although coffee and large cardboards are separated, everything else is thrown away together. As it turns out, not only is the Starbucks website outdated, but they also didn't implement either of their recycling policies. Still not convinced of the problem? Let's take a look at how our tasty drinks are actually destroying our planet. Convinced now? Here are our solutions. 1. Improve the advertisement of the reusable cup and 30-cent discount. The first step would be to have bigger signs and reusable cups at the cash register. 2. Instruct the staff to ask the customers for a reusable cup. 2. Create cups that are more easily recyclable. A good starting point would be to replace the plastic straws with paper or reusable metal straws. 3. Actually implement the recycling bins in the shops as well as in the back. 4. Establish a recycling infrastructure. Where does the waste go after the shop? Thank you for watching this video.